Galaro. Hoy. 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 Ang cute. Asa may isa?
All the way around. After hours coming up empty. Chris is having a tough time staying positive.
They're just not hitting.
But then, the discovery he was waiting for.
There's some. This time of year with the fall colors, when I see the orange through the trees and open chickens, the could be food and all that.
Hoy. Hoy.
What we're looking for, chicken in the woods. Might be 15 pounds or so. This is a fight for sore eyes on a bad day for sure. 10 to 15 pounds, 40 to, good fresh.
Yung mo. Ano yung kabuti?
It's not meeting my goal, but it's getting late. I'm gonna have to call the V-Man and just get back in the car and get some. Hey, you there?